Thank you for stopping by GenesisWarranty.com and the Adjustable Bed Doctors YouTube channel, where you can learn to repair your adjustable bed instead of replacing it and save yourself some big bucks. We want to talk about today BedTech adjustable beds. Now, this series will cover the BT 2000, the 3000, the 6500, etc., or at least the remotes that you see here. And we're going to address some of the most common problems and how to troubleshoot them. So stick around. Let's start out with step one, checking your power supply and making sure your adjustable bed has power. Does the indicator light on your power supply light up green? If it doesn't, then it's probably just a bad power supply. And as simple as this may sound, just make sure your bed's plugged into power. Let's talk about step two. Check the batteries in your remote. Lots of times batteries go bad and problems occur. Make sure the batteries are fresh, they're installed correctly. And lastly, have you paired your remote? Have you tried to reprogram your bed remote to your control box? If you haven't yet, well, try these directions next. Let's get into step three, programming your remote control. Okay, now there's two different methods. This first method that you see here is the most common one. The second method that you see here is specific to this style of remote control and this style only. Now let's talk about the last thing you should check, and that's inspecting the wires where everything plugs into your control box. Also, if you have pets, cats, dogs, particularly puppies, kittens, they will get underneath these adjustable beds and they will chew the wiring. So if you have a pet and your bed's not working, you tried all the other instructions that we provided here, just check those wires. But otherwise, make sure everything's plugged in. If you still can't get it to work, give us a call. We'll be happy to help troubleshoot that further. Thanks for stopping by.